Hey everyone, in today's Instagram video, I wanted to show you how to go live on Instagram. If it's your first time here checking out this channel, I have over 100 Instagram videos and over 400 social media and tech videos, so please consider subscribing. So let's start from scratch. You're gonna go ahead and launch your Instagram app as usual, and this works the same on iOS or Android. Go to the homepage on your Instagram app, and you want to click the camera icon on the top left of the app. Once you get to this page, basically what's gonna happen is you want to, on the bottom of the page, go from normal to live. So if I scroll over to live, now I'm in the live mode of the app. So what I wanna do here is just press go live. On the right side, there's a couple of other options. Let's not focus on that just yet. Let's go ahead and press go live. Then it's gonna connect. Make sure you have a connection here. And now you're live on Instagram. There's a couple of things you could do here while you're live. You could press the question icon and you could post a question sticker to your story and then get the response that way. You could go ahead and press this icon here and pick some filters. If you're showing a face here, some of these filters do things like this. And you could go ahead and press share and then share with some of the other pages here on Instagram that you follow. I'm gonna press cancel. And once you're done here, all I would have to do is I'll have to press end and then end live. And it was that simple to go live on Instagram. On the top right of the page, I could go ahead and save this to my camera roll or share the video for the next 24 hours so people could watch it. That's turned on right now. So if I press share, it's gonna share it right into my Instagram account right here. So if I jump into story, you could see that live option is available as soon as it's done encoding here. So it's that simple to go live on Instagram story. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for easy to follow social media and tech videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.